LED puddle lights for Model Y have become an essential accessory for Tesla owners looking to add a touch of sophistication and style to their electric vehicles. In this review, we'll be exploring the top 5 options available on the market, giving you all the details you need to make an informed decision. Don't forget to check the description box below for links and additional information on each product we discuss. Let's dive right in. Number 5. MEJELAKI upgraded non-fading welcome lights. These lights are a game changer for Model Y owners who want to make a statement every time they approach their vehicle. The MEJELAKI lights offer a crisp and clear projection that's sure to turn heads. What sets these lights apart is their use of HD quartz glass, which ensures the projection remains vibrant and sharp, even after prolonged use. The durability of these lights is truly impressive thanks to their efficient heat dissipation design. This means you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Installation is a breeze, making it easy for even the least tech-savvy Tesla owners to upgrade their ride. The moment you open your door, you'll be greeted by a stunning Tesla logo projection that adds a touch of luxury to your Model Y. One thing I particularly love about these lights is how they enhance the overall aesthetic of the vehicle without being overly flashy. They strike the perfect balance between sophistication and subtlety, something that's not always easy to achieve with aftermarket accessories. Features that you may be looking for: HD quartz glass for crisp projections, efficient heat dissipation for longevity, easy installation process, compatible with multiple Tesla models, non-fading design for consistent performance. Coming in at number 4, we have the Farmogo Door Lights Logo Projector. These ultra-bright welcome step lights are a fantastic option for Tesla owners who want to add a personal touch to their Model Y without breaking the bank. What immediately stands out about the Farmogo lights is their impressive brightness. When you open your door at night, you'll be greeted by a vivid and clear Tesla logo that illuminates the ground beneath. It's not just a light, it's a statement. The installation process is practically effortless thanks to its plug-and-play design. You won't need any special tools or technical know-how to get these lights up and running. Simply remove the old lights, plug in the new ones, and you're good to go. One aspect that really impresses me about these lights is their versatility. They're not just compatible with the Model Y, but also with Model 3, S, and X. This makes them a great option if you own multiple Tesla vehicles or if you're thinking of upgrading in the future. Features that you may be looking for: ultra-bright LED projection, easy plug-and-play installation, compatible with multiple Tesla models, never fade technology for long-lasting use, vibrant and clear Tesla logo projection. Taking the 3rd spot on our list are the DNSJB Puddle lights. These lights are a perfect blend of style and functionality, designed specifically for Tesla vehicles, including our beloved Model Y. What immediately catches the eye with these lights is the quality of the projection. The Tesla logo is crisp, clear, and beautifully defined, creating a stunning visual effect every time you open your car door. It's like rolling out your own personal red carpet, but with a high-tech twist. One of the standout features of the DNSJB lights is their brightness. These aren't your run-of-the-mill puddle lights. They're powerful enough to make a real impact, even in well-lit areas. This means you'll always have a clear view of where you're stepping, adding both style and safety to your Model Y. Installation is a breeze with these lights. They're designed to be a direct replacement for your stock puddle lights, meaning you won't need any special tools or expertise to get them up and running. It's a simple plug-and-play process that anyone can handle. Features that you may be looking for: high-quality, crisp logo projection, exceptionally bright LED lights, easy tool-free installation process, durable construction for long-lasting use, compatible with multiple Tesla models. Number 2, Motrobe Ultra Bright Step LED Puddle Door Lights. These lights are a stellar choice for Tesla Model Y owners who want to add a touch of elegance to their vehicle's exterior. What sets the Motrobe lights apart is their integration with the Tesla design aesthetic. These aren't just any aftermarket lights. They look and feel like they could have come straight from the Tesla factory. The projection is crisp, clear, and perfectly aligned with the Tesla brand image. One feature that really stands out is the included extension cord. This thoughtful addition makes installation a breeze, even in tight spaces. It's this kind of attention to detail that really elevates the Motrobe lights above many of their competitors. The brightness of these lights is truly impressive. They provide ample illumination for safe entry and exit from your Model Y, while also creating a stunning visual effect that's sure to turn heads. It's like having your own personal spotlight, every time you open your car door. Durability is another strong point for the Motrobe lights. They're designed to never fade, ensuring that your Tesla logo projection remains vibrant and clear for years to come. This is especially important for those of us who plan to keep our Model Y for the long haul. Features that you may be looking for: ultra bright LED for maximum visibility, includes extension cord for easy installation, never fade technology for lasting performance, perfectly integrated Tesla design aesthetic, compatible with multiple Tesla models. Number 1. RCBDCYGJ No Fade LED Logo Projector Puddle Lights. These lights are, quite simply, the best LED puddle lights for Model Y on the market today. What makes these lights stand out from the crowd? It all starts with their ultra-bright 3D laser ghost shadow light. This isn't just a simple logo projection. It's a stunning visual experience that transforms the area around your Model Y into a high-tech light show. The highlight transmission lens used in these lights is a game changer. It ensures that the projected image remains sharp and clear, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Whether you're in a dimly lit parking garage or a brightly lit street, these lights will make their presence known. One of the most impressive features of the RCBDCYGJ lights is their longevity. These lights are built to last, with a no-fade design that ensures your Tesla logo will remain vibrant and clear for years to come. It's an investment in your Model Y that will continue to pay dividends long into the future. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play design. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get these lights up and running. Just a few minutes of your time and you'll be ready to show off your new look. Features that you may be looking for: ultra bright 3D laser ghost shadow light, highlight transmission lens for clear projections, no fade design for long-lasting performance, easy plug-and-play installation, compatible with multiple Tesla models. In conclusion, whether you're looking to add a touch of style, improve visibility, or simply make your Model Y stand out from the crowd, these LED puddle lights are an excellent choice.